Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Carla, also known as LittleFitDevil, and today I am dressed for the occasion because I will be reviewing some amazing fine jewelry by MSBLUE, or Miss Blue, that's how I like to pronounce it. Anyway, so I got 3 items from them. They are gorgeous. They're gonna make me feel like $1,000,000. And maybe let me tell you a little bit about the company. So MSBLUE was founded in 2018. They just started doing sales online, and they provide lab created, beautiful, fine jewelry. And the ones that I will be trying today are made out of Moissanite. They look like $1,000,000 without breaking the bank, without spending that much money. It looks absolutely amazing. So let's go ahead and get started and dress this up because I have no jewelry besides the earrings. So I will be trying on a ring, a necklace, and what else? What else was it? I don't know. I guess let's find out. Okay, everybody, let's do a quick unboxing of what you should expect to see when you get MSBLUE delivery. You have a little baggie where you would put all your jewelry once you open the boxes. I think that's a really nice treat. You get a cleaning cloth and you get a card. Let's see, looks like a thank you note. So it talks about the company, everything that I already mentioned, and one more thing. The inspiration behind the brand was upon the idea that fine jewelry should be affordable, beautiful, and conscientious. So again, you guys, you can have beautiful jewelry even if you're not rich. Okay, now let's open the first one. This is the beautiful box that it comes in. I absolutely love the brand colors. I think it's beautiful. Another box inside. What was that? Oh, that was just a piece of foam. No big deal. Okay. Let's get this open. All right, you guys, I got the earrings first. That was the item that I didn't know I was getting. I guess I forgot about it. Let's change these up and let's put this beautiful earrings on. Let me just do a close-up of the earrings. Oh, they come in separate baggies so that you don't damage them. That's actually really cute. Well thought out packaging. Definitely highly protective. Okay, check this out. Let's see how I'm gonna do the close-up for this. I'm gonna stand up. Hold on. Gorgeous, you guys. Let's try them on. Maybe I'll just do this live here to keep it real. These earrings I have, you guys, they might be shiny, but they are so old. It's time to upgrade, you know? That's what we do. Okay. I'm so clumsy. I don't even, this is why you can't have nice things. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay. The clasp system is really smooth. So see that? Perfect. That's how I like my earrings, because if it takes me 3 hours to put them on, it's a no-go. And look, I have multiple earring holes. This looks, oh my God, looks amazing. Wow, chilies. The nails are definitely not conducive to opening anything these days. Time to cut them. They look pretty, but it's like, there we go. Okay, check that out. How cool is that? And I do have a little diamond at the top here, so it really makes it all work. I'm in love. Number 1 item, it's a check. Okay, let's go for the second one. I'm gonna finish this video all dolled up. Second item, let's see what we got. Okay, box within the box again. Another foam piece I fell. Okay, this one is a different box. I assume this is for a ring. So, yep. Imagine getting this as a gift. Oh, beautiful. You guys, this can double up as an engagement ring, as a wedding band, as a fancy ring. Look at that. And again, the items I picked are all matching. See that? Look how cute that is. Oh my goodness, I love it. Look how expensive I look. All right. Third item, and also, by the way, I have a size 4 and small fingers. Yeah, I know. So this is a size 4 for me. They go, I think, all the way up to, you know, the larger sizes. But again, you can get a small size if you have really thin fingers like myself. Okay, third, and here we go. Another beautiful box with a box inside and the foam. Okay, look how cute. Amazing packaging, beautiful branding. I love the brand colors so much. Okay, here is the necklace. Comes in a baggy, double bagged because of protection. And again, it's gonna match the pieces that I already got. So this is going to look amazing. You can wear these for a really fancy party. This can be like your everyday wear jewelry as well, because, you know, I don't think diamonds are, you know, really, really expensive jewelry or maybe like an everyday wear, but you wouldn't be as worried if you're wearing something that is so much more affordable but looks like diamonds. So, okay, let's do a close-up of the item first. Look how pretty that is. And look how it goes with the ring. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that shine. And I love that the chain is thin, and it looks like 3 different settings. So if you want to, you know, make it shorter, you can. Let's see if my nails are gonna fail me with this. Hope not. Wow, one try. That was impressive of me. Okay, check it out. So I'm gonna move my dress just a little bit so you can see it in action. Look how gorgeous. Okay, you can see all 3 items as a close-up right now. This looks like $1 million, you guys. Look how beautiful this looks. It looks so classy. You can go to a party as so. I love it. I dig it. It's gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, everybody, if you guys love what you've seen from MSBLUE and all the boxes I have left here, please go ahead, check out the link in the description of this video so that you can support an amazing company and get yourself dolled up. If you're a man watching this video, I think your girl is gonna love this one, your mom, your wife, the woman in your life. Go ahead and surprise them with an amazing gift, especially as Valentine's Day is coming very soon. Anyway, I hope you guys love the review. If you love what I do, please go ahead, consider subscribing, liking, and commenting on this video. Follow me on social media. I have all the links in the description here. And you can also support me on Patreon, where I have photo shoots, more content, sales every month, you name it. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I will see you soon in another review.